Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Soundpeats Air 5 Pro, already a very popular earbud globally. Its official price is $79 but I'll make sure you buy it as cheap as possible on AliExpress. So just like before, the box of Soundpeats earbuds are exactly the same for almost every product. So without further delay, I'll unbox it and properly test it, and will come back to present my honest opinion about it. Friends, finally I have used it enough to share my best experience with you guys. You can see that I have here these two earbuds with me from Air series. This is Air 4 Pro and this is Air 5. So I will try to give you the best advice. The first change you guys will notice is that it comes with matte finish, but the earbuds inside have a glossy finish. The second thing is that when you hold 4 Pro and Air 5 Pro in your hands, you will see a clear weight difference. Upon searching, I found that the Air 4 Pro weighs 38 grams and the Air 5 Pro weighs about 50 grams. This is a huge difference, and the reason for this is that Air 5 Pro has a bigger battery, 520 mAh, while the Air 4 Pro has a 330 mAh battery only. So this is not the only difference, there is more. You can see the specs upgrade on the screen. So this is a proper upgrade from Air 4 Pro. Now let's talk about the sound quality. As soon as you put it in your ears, the first difference you will notice is that it is much more detailed than the Air 4 Pro. Although the bass on Air 4 Pro was much more balanced and decent, at the same time quite loud. But here it is same as Air 4 Pro but with more depth and detailed and extra clarity. The bass is very deep but thunderous. It is enjoyable. Vocals are much more thicker than the previous version. The treble is also upgraded, as you notice its sharpness in audio, whereas the Air 4 Pro was almost treble-less. So I have nothing more to say except this, that I like it. It is fantastic, wide, spacious and extendable. Now as far as the ANC is concerned, I don't know why there are so many people who ask about this. For me, normal mode is the best. ANC is not a must-have feature. It can be needed but not all the time. So here I would rate its ANC 7 out of 10. It was fine based on the price. So here ends my review. I recommend both Air 4 Pro and Air 5 Pro. I personally like the Air 4 Pro more. But remember, the Air 5 Pro has more detail and upgraded sound quality. So if you are interested, please, you must use the discount code which I have provided in the description to get it more cheaper. The discount codes are valid for all most products in AliExpress. So enjoy.